Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Arif Hakimi bin Zulazli. Metric number D 2018-108-4640. So here I will be presenting my action research report. So the title of my research is Implementing Information Gap Activity to Improve Speaking Skills Among Secondary School Students in the District of Mualim. So let's go on and proceed with our first slide. So here is my problem statement. So the problem here is that the lack of participation in speaking skills activity. So the verbal responses during an online classroom is considered to be the main problem. And of course, since it's an online classroom, it is harder for the teacher to monitor. So next slide. So research objective. So the general objective of this research is to increase student engagement in a speaking activity through the implementation of information gap activity. So the specific objective is to describe the atmosphere in improving the teaching of speaking to the students by using information gap activities, and to know whether the students score speaking improvement after the implementation of the activity. Next slide. Okay, so this is my research question. So the question is how the use of information gap technique improve the process of teaching and learning of speaking skill of students in secondary school, and what improvements are found in the student speaking skill as a result of the implementation, and lastly, how did the student respond to the implementation of the information gap activity. So next, methodology. So my methodology and my research instruments consist of three different type of instrument. The first one is classroom observation. Second one is semi-structured interview, and lastly survey. So next, the result. So based on the activity conducted during the classes, it can be observed that the students' speaking skill and engagement are increased through the implementation of information gap activity. The technique used while teaching the classroom are able to attract more responses from the students. Students are more comfortable responding to information gap activity exercises, and the implementation created a two-way communication and are integrated in the lessons. So to conclude, information gap activity can assist teachers to increase participation and engagement, specifically during speaking activity. And information gap activity is a visual form of exercise where students are able to connect with the exercises and elaborate answer based on their own understanding. That is all from my action research report. Thanks so much for watching.